All right, we got a few more things done here now. We did get the ceiling fixed up here, so that has been installed. That's just tongue and groove beadboard. A lot of little boards. I think there were 60 some that we had to cut and put up there, so my arms were pretty tired by the end of the day. So my wife, she helped a lot. You can see we got all the electrical poking through there, getting ready. Framed around the fan and everything here. Got the beds framed in, or roughed in anyway. That is just 2x2 material. I ripped those down from 2x4s, so they'd be a little more stable and straight. All glued and pocket screwed together. So that's the queen bed for the base. Up here, we've got just going to be really a storage area. It will double as a bed. I have to reinforce that. That's not all that's going to hold it, because we're going to have some shelving on the back side that'll stiffen that up. I got this 1x4 on the front that stiffens the front nicely, but the back's going to still a little wobbly, so we'll make that a little stronger. But that's just going to get plywood on it with probably a piece of carpet or something, just like I said, like a storage loft. The little triangle area back there is also going to get beefed up a little bit. That's going to be underneath there's like the battery storage and whatever else they decide to put in there. And then a little shelf above that, and we've got electrical outlets and such. Also just finished all the parts of the walls that are going to be painted, we skim coated. So this is it's a oriented strand board, but it's pretty darn smooth. It doesn't have a whole lot of texture to it, better than the stuff you normally see for construction. So what we're going to do with that is we just, like I said, skim coated with a little drywall compound, and from there I should be able to sand that, and then all the joints, you know, all this junk through here, that'll all get cleaned up with just a piece of trim going across it. But I don't know, I think it should work. It's going to save us a ton of weight and probably a ton of money just by doing this. So, you know, otherwise we'd be putting sheets and sheets of what, 1/4-inch plywood or something on the wall to make it look good. So we're going to try this, see what happens. If it fails, it was a cheap attempt, and you know, we can go on from there.